instructor. Hi, my name is Deepthi. Bending of pipes, cold and hot, is a process that is used to change the shape of a pipe. This can be done for a variety of reasons, such as to fit a new shape or to make the pipe easier to transport. There are two main methods of bending pipes, cold and hot. Cold bending is done at room temperature, while hot bending is done using heat. Today, we are going to learn how to bend pipes using hot and cold method.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to bend GI pipe by cold method as per template on a pipe bending machine. Bend GI pipe by heating and match with template. Tools required: pipe wrench, tape measure, pipe cutter, hacksaw, pipe bender, tri-square, steel rule, soft hammer. Equipment required: pipe stand, hammer. Materials required: pipes, bending spring. The first method we are going to try is cold bending method. Cold bending of pipes is a process where a pipe is bent using cold temperatures. This can be done using either a cold bending machine or by putting the pipe in a freezer. The advantage of cold bending is that it can be done without having to heat the pipe, which can damage it. Cold bending also allows for more precise bends to be made. The advantage of cold bending is that it can be done without having to heat the pipe, which can damage it. File the pipe ends and check up its squareness. Check the inside dia of the pipe by using steel rule. Please change the reading from inside diameter from 10 cm. Measure the length of the pipe as per drawing.
R is equal to radius of bend. Theta is equal to angle of bend. L is equal to length of curved portion. Then L is equal to pi into d into theta divided by 360. L is equal to total length is equal to L1 plus L plus L2.
Mark off the beginning and the end of the bend from the center line. Select the standard former to suit the size of the pipe. Fix the bending machine in a bench vise and ensure it is tightened properly. Locate the tube stop bar at the required position. Set the roller on the bending arm by adjusting the screw and lock nut. Bend the pipe by pulling the bending arm towards your body. The sleeve bends the pipe round the former as the bending arm is pulled. The backstop holds the tails end of the pipe in position. Check the bend for squareness, use a set square. Check level of former and first leg 90-degree bend with spirit level by placing spirit levels. Check the angle of bend and radius using standard template. Bending 120° by hydraulic bending machine. Fit the pipe former onto the cylindrical arm. Place the pipe between the forming head plates and against the former. Support the pipe and fit dollies or rollers between the upper and lower plates of the forming head. Locate them in position by inserting pins through the plates and the dollies. Close the pressure release valve on the pump body, then start pumping to push the former against the pipe. Turn the pressure release valve anti-clockwise to release the pressure in the hydraulic cylinder. When the arm has moved back about 6 mm to 10 mm, close the pressure release valve to hold the ram steady. Check both bends 90° and 120° by placing pipe on the layout. The next method we are going to see is hot bending method. Hot bending of pipes is a process in which a pipe is heated and then bent to a desired shape. This process is often used to create custom pipes for a specific application. The pipe is first heated to a temperature that is above its recrystallization temperature. This temperature is usually between 800 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The pipe is then placed in a jig or fixture that will hold it in the desired shape. File the pipe end square. Remove burrs. Calculate the length of pipe.
If D is equal to diameter of bend, theta is equal to angle of bend, L is equal to length of curved portion, then L is equal to pi into D into theta divided by 360. If OA is equal to inner radius of bend, R, AB is equal to radius of pipe, R, OB is equal to radius of bend, R plus R. Then L is equal to R plus R into Q into 0.01745. Total length of pipe is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L.
Measure and mark off the center of the bend, beginning and end of the bend from the center line. Plug one end of the pipe with a wooden peg. Measure the inside diameter of the pipe and select two suitable wooden pegs for the pipe. Fill the pipe with clean, dry and fine sand. Compress the sand by tapping the pipe up and down with a soft hammer and plug the end. Ensure that the entire pipe is filled with sand. Clamp one end of the pipe in a vise and protect the clamped portion of the pipe with lead or copper shims. Heat the area to be bent with oxyacetylene torch evenly until it glows dull red. The bent area should not be overheated. Pull down the pipe gently in the direction of the bend. Take short pulls until the correct bend angle is reached. Check the bend radius with a template. Apply heat throughout the whole operation and overbend slightly and straighten out the final bend. Remove one end of the plug. Note: ensure that the pipe is cooled before removing the plug. Remove the sand by tapping the pipe gently with a hammer.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to bend GI pipe by cold method as per template on a pipe bending machine. Bend GI pipe by heating and match with template. Thus, we have learnt how to bend pipes using hot and cold method. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.